Welcome back. We've done a lot this week in pharmacology, and I just wanted to sum some of those things up. First of all, it's important to remember that the information that we visited in Chapter 3 of our book is extremely important to patient safety. And again, we have ALH 8 in the spring, which is medication administration, and we will be going in depth into all of this. But the things I want you to remember most of all from this is patient safety, your 7 rights and your 3 med checks, and also that the specific populations have different medication needs and reactions. And for the regulations chapter, it's important to understand the schedules of drugs and especially how we are responsible for them within our medical office. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.